Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials, because without the right handler, nothing previews. Open settings to check your Windows 10 build and system type. This ensures compatibility. Next, install or pick a PDF app that supports Preview, Microsoft Edge, or Adobe Reader work. Then open File Explorer and enable the preview pane with View Preview Pane or Alt+P. This immediately reserves the right column for file rendering. Once done, move on to associating PDFs so the pane can render them correctly. Now you associate the file type so the preview pane knows which renderer to call. Right-click any PDF and choose Open With, then choose another app. Select the app you installed earlier, check Always Use this app to open PDF and click OK. That binds the file association at the system level. Make sure the chosen app actually supplies a preview handler. If it does not, update the app or reinstall its preview component. Once associated, previews should appear when a PDF is selected in Explorer. Finish by applying changes and checking behavior. Restart File Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and sign back in so associations take effect. This forces the preview pipeline to refresh. If previews still fail, re-enable the preview pane and open the PDF Apps plugin or extension settings to ensure its preview handler is active. As a troubleshooting key tip, reinstall the PDF app or run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair broken shell integrations. This resolves most remaining preview registration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.